Thanks for joining us on TVC Midday News. Let's start from Abuja, the nation's capital, where a federal high court has refused to grant suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari's co-defendant bail. The court also granted the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency's application to review facts presented on the two defendants who have pleaded guilty on the ongoing trial in alleged cocaine deal. Justice Emeka Nwite, in a ruling, dismissed the objection raised by counsel to Mr. Kyari and his co-defendants that granting the request might jeopardize their own cases. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Ira has the story.
Justice Emeka Nwite ruled on whether reviewing facts presented on the 6th and 7th defendant who pleaded guilty would jeopardize the case of the defendants. He agreed with the NDLEA and counsel to both defendants that Mr. Kyari and other police officers had not given sufficient evidence that their case would be prejudiced if the court grants the request. He held that the objection lacked merit and ordered the NDLEA to commence the review of facts on the 6th and 7th defendant. Justice Nwite aligned with the arguments that keeping the two guilty defendants in prison during the length of the trial would infringe on their right to fair hearing, going by Section 36, subsection 4 of the Constitution. Justice Nwite subsequently adjourned to 26th of May. Counsel to Mr. Kyari, Kanu Agabi, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, had objected to the prosecuting lawyer's request. He said should the court convict and impose a sentence on the defendant, it would jeopardize the case of Kyari and the other 4 defendants.
Further application for bail for the rest of the defendants, apart from the 5th and 6th and 7th rather defendants. So for the 26th of May, we should be coming back here for review of facts, as well as taking the bail application for the 1st, 2nd, 4th and 5th defendants.
At the last adjourned date, Justice Emeka Nwite had refused the bail application of Mr. Kyari and his co-accused, stating that the prosecution has placed sufficient evidence before the court that warranted the refusal of the bail application of the senior police officers. Celestina Ira, TVC News, Abuja.